So I've been a priest for 15 years now. Leader of the congregation, the Corinthian Church of South Africa. That's got about 100,000 followers. Until I had a dream. Then I heard this voice. It says, tell your men to wear white kurtas. Kurtas. I said, oh, Muslim head. Then I said, it's just a dream. He came again and again. And the last time, this voice became aggressive now. Tell your men. Then I went, it was a congregation. I said, now I'm going to these people, I'm going to tell them, let them believe. Then I went there. Then I told them, you know how Allah made it easy? They just accepted. All of them. 3 months ago, I made the Shahada in the church. They were supporting what I was saying. They were also saying it. Those 1,000 voices saying one, giving the Shahada with me. Ashhadu, Allah, ilaha illallah. Peace be upon him, Muhammad. When we went up here, he was alone. I will follow the footsteps. And I believe by following these footsteps,